What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, it's Sunday night, and the overall cryptocurrency market just continues to have this significant downtrend, and we had some liquidity zones that have been surpassed over the last little bit here. Bitcoin broke below 54,000, but now has kind of done somewhat of a pretty significant reversal upside, almost back to 55K. But Ethereum down 18.49% on the day, 28% on the week. Solana down 30% on the week. XRP down 20%. Crazy times in this market, man. It really starts to make you question. And this is probably when a lot of people's integrity is tested, people's ability to stomach volatility is tested at these really big downturns. ETH was literally yesterday at nearly to $3,000, and then boom, breaking support once and breaking two levels of support now, all the way down to right around 2,300. So the question is, what is going on and why is crypto crashing? We'll talk about that in just a moment. Remember, as always, consider subscribing to the channel and follow for news regarding cryptocurrency as a whole. Now, a lot of people tend to look at this chart and say, whoa, what happened today? Sometimes I say zoom out. 7 days still looks pretty bad. The 1 month still looks pretty dang bad. But let's look at the overall year for Ethereum. We started off the year in 2023, a year ago now, August 2023, with a $1,600 ETH. Ran up to nearly a $4,000 ETH when we heard the news about the Supreme Court ruling and everything else. And then Ethereum is no longer a security. The SEC made that ruling. We had a nice retracement after the news came out, all the way back to 2,900, which was a strong level of support. Bounced again when ETFs did pretty much get the news that they were confirmed and accepted and approved, followed by another retracement, and then ETFs went live early July, mid-July, ran back up, and again, just retracing. But today specifically, there has been a significant correction across, and any cryptocurrency that's been covered over the last while. Look at these biggest losers, Ethereum being a top 4 right after KuCoin's exchange token. But you guys know, you see the meme coins taking a hard hit, whiffed down about 46% on the week, which is actually insane. Brett, one of my favorite meme coins right now, is down 41%. Pepe is down 40%. Absolute madness. And the question right now becomes, is it time to run away and sell, or is it time to double down? That answer is always, at the end of the day, up to you. No one can tell the future of the next moment in any market. But based off of the things that I believe in, right? Based off where I think the presidential election here in the United States is going and the way and the direction crypto's headed as a whole, I think right now everything is just basically discounted. Do you like to buy clothing when it's at full price, or 20% off, 30% off, 40% off over the last week? And so again, if the answer is now is the time to buy in, great. I think that this is a reasonable entry for those that are dollar cost averaging. And again, dollar cost averaging has proven itself as a really strong strategy. But again, the overall news, yes, futures opened up a little lower for the stock market, right? So again, a lot of people are saying the market was inflated anyway, and we needed to see a correction in the equities and stock market side of things, especially big tech and other stocks alike. So with that being said, we continue to see a pretty good correction. Also, over top, right now, things that are happening in the Middle East, the geopolitical tensions, Iran and Israel, everything that is going on right now between those two, that's creating, again, more tension. You know, we always say, and we've always asked for peace in the Middle East, but it seems like things are just getting worse and worse. So it does feel a little doomsday-like when the market crashes like this, but understand that as fast as it comes down, it could come back up. So again, I think it's an opportunity to double down if you have dry powder or cash aside. And if you don't, hey, I don't know. That's up to you. It's time to, for me, in my opinion, to dollar cost average. I'm happy with my current positions in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. But again, altcoins that are hit even harder than ETH and BTC, I think might be a reasonable consideration to see where they go. Now, again, I do appreciate your guys' support as always. I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be here the next day. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at YourPop8, where I keep everyone updated on a very timely basis. But again, I do think this is just a flash crash, overly correcting. And I think we're going to see a bounce pretty soon. And when you do, it's going to be pretty significant, since we've been correcting basically for the last week, down 30%. And I think those gains will be made right back as soon as things get a little bit more clear in terms of market situation, and hopefully the stock market also cooling off its corrective phase right now that it's been going through all of last week. Appreciate you all. That's all I had. And until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.